How's it going, everybody?
Very good.
Thank you so much for having us. We really appreciate the opportunity to get some time on your monthly meeting and get to talk to all of the providers of Lab Dental just in one room together. So just want to say thank you for inviting us to speak. In terms of like today's presentation, I want to keep it super conversational, so feel free to like ask questions along the way, feel free to raise your hand, you can shout out, whatever, but let's keep it conversational, and the goal is really just to educate the group holistically on what we do at Dandy and how we can help, partner with your DSF. So just going through a few slides, a bit of an agenda, would love to start with some introductions, share a little bit about what we've learned thus far, then kind of go into a bit of a Dandy overview. From there, I can actually share a bit of the practice portal and do a live demo so you can see firsthand what that portal looks like. Then I'll pass it over to Robert to review any clinical workflows. He is our clinical solutions expert at Dandy. He's built some of these workflows, or most of these workflows himself. And then we can talk about next steps and if expansion is exciting or even just giving it a try. So that's really what I was hoping to accomplish today. Does that all work for everybody? Cool.